I think with the South African coaches that we have, I always say the two smartest coaches that we have is Kevin Hunt and Phuthi Mohave. I think one thing about those coaches, they know exactly what to go for. They know exactly how to fight, especially the big three. And I mean, Allende gave us a beautiful goal. We can't take that away from him. And Allende is one of the smartest players that's actually needed. I mean, who would have thought? You would think that with Mamelodi Sundowns not having their key players, who's on injury like Sales, like Brian Leon, they will struggle. But I mean, we cannot take away from the fact that Mamelodi Sundowns has depth, and 70%, actually 90% of their players are quality, and they will give you the results that you want. So I mean, the Seshego Stadium was a bit of a problem for Mamelodi Sundowns that we saw, and I don't think Phuthi Mohave is gonna leave Loftus without getting 3 or 4 goals from Mamelodi Sundowns on the 3rd of May, because believe you me, that is the home ground for Mamelodi Sundowns, and they're very smooth, with that. And something comes into mind, especially with the Kaizer Chiefs game. I mean, I believe you've played snooker, pool table.
Yeah.
And according to your knowledge, what is the dangerous ball in the pool table?
The dangerous ball that you don't need to play in the game.
In the game.
Obviously, the darker one.
It's the darker one.
Yeah.
And what number is the darker ball?
8.
Thank you so much. What jersey number is Species Glove?
Jersey number 8.
And what color is his complexion?
Black.
Thank you so much. So basically what I'm saying is, the moment you start
taking your 8,
you
lose the game.
Your most dangerous ball, you lose your game. I mean, yes, the coaches came with the mindset.
Very smart, eh?
They came with the mindset of saying they are trying to save the players for the Sundowns game, but rather throw in your dangerous ball and see what's going to happen. I mean, we saw with the Orlando Pirates game, they came in with a 6-6. It worked for us.
Yeah.
So how is it that you are removing your black ball? I mean, the moment you remove your black ball, the game is finished. I mean, you can do whatever that you want, but with your black ball missing on that pool table, the game is useless. That is what I saw today. But other than that, I mean, a great tactical change from the coaches. Second half, obviously, with Velabai, Da Silva, we saw how the boys played. Yeah. And I think one thing about, I must say, Khalil and Cedric Kaizer have proven themselves. The reason I'm saying that is that if I look at the 5 past seasons, if we get to 50 points, this will be the first season since the 2019-2020 season, which was being coached by Stuart Baxter. We'll be getting 50 points. Yeah. And if you check, last season we were on position 9. Yeah? Oh, sorry. So last season we were on position 9. And then the previous season we were on position 10. Then the season before that we were on position 5 and then position 8. So now we are currently sitting on position 3. So I'm saying that this is the great run we've ever had as Kaizer Chiefs for the past 5 seasons. That is why you end up getting Kaizer Chiefs supporters celebrating a draw, because finding yourself in this position after such a bad run for the past 5 seasons, it's refreshing. I mean, this draw, yes, we lost. We lost according to towards Siwelele, but it's not a painful loss to me, honestly speaking, because this was a game in hand that we needed to close. I mean, believe you me, from next week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all the teams are playing, and we're on 26, 27, 28, 29 goals, and I still have I'm 5 points ahead of Amazulu. I'm not gonna underestimate the fact that Amazulu might catch up with me, but the Cedric Kaizer that I've seen, the Khalil that I've seen, they will go back to the drawing board and they will make sure they bring us the results.
So just before it's all like a question, but no good question.
Yeah.
The interpreter they are sala or they are via.
To be honest with you, this is me personally saying this. I believe that these coaches need another run. Give them another season. Reason being is, show me a coach after Stuart Baxter who has given us position 3. Show me a coach after Stuart Baxter who has given me 5 wins in a row. Show me a coach after Stuart Baxter who has given me seven games unbeaten. None of them. So I cannot judge the coaches quickly by saying they need to leave. When the season started, we started great. It was both those coaches. Then we had the problem that we had in the middle of the season was our pairings, our combinations. We didn't have the correct pairings and the correct combinations. But now we found our feet. So personally, I'm saying I would rather give those two coaches another run, because if they are able to fight for position 3, then next season I might be fighting for position 1. You'd never know. I can't predict the future, but the results are telling me that.
Okay.
So yeah.
There you have it, guys. Let's comment on PSL Pulse.
Yeah.
But the interpreters, now I feel like they must stay. I'm an Orlando Pirates fan, but I feel like they gave us a good Kaizer Chiefs this season, and they deserve to get another run.
Yeah. Sure.
Cheers.